The Seven Brothers and the Demon. Once upon a time, a poor couple had 7 sons. They were so poor that they could not feed their children properly. So, they decided to leave them in the forest. One day, the mother gave each son a piece of bread, and the father took them to the forest, pretending they were going to gather fruits. The youngest son was very clever. Instead of eating his bread, he dropped small pieces along the way to mark their path. When they reached deep into the forest, the father told them to wait while he went away for a while. But he never returned. It became dark, and the brothers realized they were lost. However, the youngest brother followed the trail of breadcrumbs he had left, and they found their way home. The next day, their parents took them back to the forest. Again, the youngest brother left a trail of bread. But this time, birds ate all the crumbs, and they could not find their way back. The brothers wandered through the forest, searching for home. After some time, they saw a small light coming from a house. They knocked on the door and asked if they could stay for the night. A woman inside let them in. But as they were about to sleep, she suddenly put on a leather coat, grew taller, and flew away. The brothers soon discovered that 7 demon sons also lived in the house. These demon sons wore crowns on their heads. 6 of the brothers fell asleep quickly, but the youngest brother stayed awake. As he explored the house, he found human skeletons and realized it was a demon's house. He quickly removed the crowns from the demon sons' heads and placed them on his brothers and himself. Later that night, the demon returned, took off her coat, and went into the room. She felt each child's head and killed those without crowns. Then she went to sleep. When she started snoring loudly, the youngest brother woke up his brothers and told them they must escape. Before leaving, he took the demon's magic coat and wore it. The coat made him taller and stronger. Using its power, he carried his brothers and flew to a distant hill. The next morning, the demon woke up and realized she had killed her own sons instead of the boys. Furious, she chased after them. But without her magic coat, she was slow.